Did you start collecting your leads on little post-it notes? And now you've got a few more, plus names on random pages in your notebook. Now you struggle to remember who you need to follow up with, and when, and what was their name again? Where do you start? Why not join me on my lead tracker workshop where you can build your very own tracker just like this. The tracker is flexible and auto-updating. All of your leads will be in one place, so no more post-it notes, and this captures all the key information. The summary page gives you a quick snapshot of all of your leads and their value. It just shows how much potential value you have sitting on the table. Now my favorite bit is the auto-updating visual pipeline showing you exactly where to focus your attention. In this workshop, not only will you come away with a fully functioning lead tracker, you'll also learn some valuable tricks in Google Sheets that you can use in any of your working files. So, how does that sound? Want to join me?